Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020, and it's the 12th match in round 1. And the scores are Immaculate Conception High on 23 points and St. Mary's College also on 23 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. First question is from Bible Knowledge. To which country did Jesus' parents flee? St. Mary's College?
Egypt. Egypt
is correct. Biology. What is a scientific term used to describe the process of reacting a fatty acid with aqueous sodium hydroxide? Immaculate.
Saponification. Saponification
is correct. English language. Spell aesthetic. Immaculate.
A-E-S-T-H-E-T-I-C.
No, ascetic, which means someone who practices self-denial as a spiritual discipline, and that's A-S-C-E-T-I-C. International affairs. Look at the screen, please, teams, and identify the individual. St. Mary's College. Nope. That's not the answer we're looking for. The answer is Laurentino Cortizo, President of Panama. Chemistry. Which two metals are used to make the alloy bronze? Immaculate.
Copper and tin. Copper and tin
is correct. Music and audio question. Teams, please listen to the clip and give the title of the song. Immaculate.
Affairs of the heart. Affairs of the heart
is correct. General knowledge. Which Italian cheese is sometimes stored in water? St. Mary's College.
Mozzarella. Mozzarella
is correct. Spanish. Which vegetable is la berenjena? That's eggplant. Geography. What is the only volcanic rock in the world that can float on water? Pumice is what we're looking for. Theatre and cinema. Visual. Look at the screen, please, teams, and identify the individual. St. Mary's College.
Freeman. Morgan Freeman.
Correct. Information technology. National and large enterprise planners sometimes speak of a workforce environment dominated by short-term engagements, online platform workers, and independent contractors. What is a term used to describe this type of environment? This is the gig economy. History. The Berlin Conference of 1884 to 85 was held on which continent? Africa. Mathematics. Solve the equation. 3x minus 2 bracket 4 minus x bracket equals 0. Bell came first. X equals 5 over 8 is the answer. Physics, the prefix femto. Immaculate.
10 to the negative 15.
No, it's minus 15. The prefix femto means 10 raised to what power? Sport or visual question. Teams, please look at the monitor and identify this person. St. Mary's College.
Married to Sierra. He married to Sierra. Come on. He married to Sierra. Go. Mark Fox.
No, it's Russell Wilson, NFL player, Jamaican heritage. In which parish are the Cranbrook Botanical Gardens? It's Saint Anne, French. Which specific part of the body is la cheville? Immaculate?
Cheville, ankle. Ankle. Ankle.
Correct. And that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. If you could have some quiet, please. The scores are Immaculate Conception High on 27 and St. Mary's College on 25. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.